this time, a hill chief's daughter.
Oh, not tonight, Parmenion.
And you call this tribal wedding legitimate?
Do you forget, Parmenion, my father took a barbarian as his queen?
Yes, but few would call it a profoundly happy marriage.
But what's the point, Alexander? She's your captive. Just take her as your concubine.
Because I want a son. Damn you, Philotas.
Then half your nobles have sisters who make fine Macedonian mothers.
To take an Asian as my queen, not a captive, is a sign of deep respect for our subjects. It will, more than anything, bring us together, unify us. Which is not to say I won't take a Macedonian one day.
As a second wife, you'll insult Macedonia.
Never will our people accept this girl's son as king. They'll be angry enough when they find out their husbands all have second wives in Barbaria.
Then they'll learn! By Athena's justice, this girl has spirit. She'll breed a brave son.
Alexander, this is about the honor of our kingdom.
Exactly. What can be won, Alexander? We came to Asia to punish them for their crimes. We've achieved that. 7 years from home. Now we drift from one far region to another, chasing nomads and bandits. When Macedonia bleeds its manpower, for what? To build roads in Asia? To give these people cities?
And now make an army of them?
To found cities and expand our reach is not to drift, Parmenion.
What benefit to Macedon?
It's far richer than before!
What could you give them?
With respect for your age, Parmenion, had you fought better at Gaugamela when your flank was crumbling, we could have had Darius.
How dare you, Nearchus!
General
Criticize
Nearchus,
them!
dear
Alexander spread our flag too thin! There was nothing, my father, any of you could have done!
Philotas! Alexander, I've known you since you were born. I supported you at your father's death. At the very least, for Zeus' sake, and in respect to the council that chose you king, give us a Macedonian heir. A Macedonian heir.
You've been heard clearly.
Although you'll soon realize how far you've turned from your father's path.
Ah, damn you, Parmenion, by the gods and your Apollo! What was in my father's guts? Wasn't overripe and reasoned like yours.
He never lusted for war, Alexander, or enjoyed it so. He consulted his peers in council, among equals, the Macedonian way. He didn't make decisions based on his personal desires.
I've taken us further than my father ever dreamed.
Old man, we're in new worlds.
Alexander!